Welcome to day 23 of our 30-day meditation challenge. Today, we'll be practicing with nothing to fix. So let's go ahead and get into a posture that feels supportive for our meditation practice today. You could either be seated upright, you could be standing with your back supported against a wall, or you could also be lying down. Just finding that posture that feels good for your practice that allows you to be relaxed and also alert. And I invite you to go ahead and close the eyes if that feels supportive. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and keep your eyes a quarter of the way open, just gazing softly down towards the floor. And take a slow, deep breath in, right into the nostrils, and let it naturally flow out the nostrils. And then observing as the breath returns to its natural rhythm. Sensing all the places that are affected by your breath. And in our practice today, we'll be working with this idea of the fixing mind. Noticing that the mind has a tendency to fix, to want things to be this way and not that way. It's the mind that says, this is not enough. So, this is a natural habit of mind, this habit of wanting to fix, whether it's fixing the posture or the breath or the thoughts. So, in our practice today, we'll just focus on noticing that tendency when it arises and releasing it, letting it go. Just for the span of this practice, renouncing this habit of the fixing mind. So just noticing how your body feels right now, this felt sense of the present moment. Nothing is broken. Nothing needs improvement. We're just resting in the awareness that knows all experience. Allowing, accepting, resting. And when we notice that part of mind that has the tendency to fix, to adjust, that part that might feel like it's not enough or that we're not doing it right, offering that part a lot of compassion, offering kindness, just resting in this knowing that all things are whole and complete now, nothing to fix, nothing to do, everything allowed in this all accommodating space of our practice. Thank you for practicing with me on day 23 of our meditation challenge, and I hope you'll practice with me again tomorrow. Namaste.